The past couple of weeks, the topics of generative agent system has been growing in popularity. Agents such as Baby AGI or AutoGPT have exploded online. If there's probably too much hype at the moment regarding the real potential of AI agents, I believe that there's nevertheless really interesting aspects behind this trend. In this video, I will share with you my current thesis about generative agents applied to B2B, and I'll be super happy to read about what you think about it as well. So far in the B2B software world, what we saw are SaaS products that integrate AI-powered features based on users' prompts. It means that the clearer what the user wants to achieve and the more precise its prompt, the better the results will be. This is why, whether you want to generate an article or an image, it will likely take you several prompts, iterations, before you get to the result you really want. And this is why what we saw in this first recent wave are SaaS products that automate existing tasks thanks to generative AI. AI agent systems, such as AutoGPT or Baby AGI, are different in their approach, as in this case, the user will just provide an end goal, and it's the AI agents that will figure out by itself the steps required in order to reach this goal. The user is not iterating on its prompts anymore. Based on the end goal, the agent will actually generate the necessary subtasks and will automatically execute the relevant prompts to arrive at the final destination. What it also means is that you can give much more open-ended tasks to agents compared to the first model where it needs to be more precise. This is why a good example of the first model is writing AI software. Inside standalone SaaS such as Jasper.ai or inside more generous tools such as Notion, generative AI will help you get the results you want for a precise use case, such as writing an article, an email, or an ad copy. It's kind of AI in a closed and predetermined system. B2B AI agents enable different use cases that can be broader in their scope, such as please go over all the articles of my blog and optimize the SEO of each page. The agent will figure out the subtask and execute them by using information it finds on the internet regarding SEO, and then it will use existing software such as SEO tools and blogging platforms to edit the articles. An important aspect to keep in mind is that AI agents are based on existing LLMs. Agents are not a new tech by itself, but rather a combination of the different AI infrastructure components that have emerged the past couple of months. Their intelligence is powered by LLMs, such as OpenAI, that they combine with various other components, such as dedicated memory management tools that enable the agent to access a broader range of data sources, that enables it to interact with other software, etc., etc. So without LLMs, these agents simply cannot exist, whereas LLMs will continue to thrive even without agents. My current thesis, which will likely evolve with time, is that what we currently see emerging is a new type of B2B application. Agents are native AI applications built on top of LLMs. Like we have native mobile apps specifically built for mobile platforms, or to some extent, like SaaS products that were native cloud software built on top of Amazon Web Service and other cloud hosting providers. We're still very early in the process, and I'm well aware that I could be wrong. But my current opinion is that we will witness a wave of AI agent startups that will specialize in specific categories, such as AI agents for marketers, for salespeople, for productivity, etc., or verticalized by industries, like AI agents for the construction industry, for example. An important aspect of my thesis is that I believe that these AI agent startups can be standalone products. Unlike the previous wave at the beginning of the year, where we saw incumbents integrate AI feature in their existing product super fast, in the case of AI agents, I think that there are more opportunities for standalone startups. The too long didn't ring version is that first, in order to arrive at production-ready agents, which business will pay for, you need to build a lot of additional features. And second, the UI/UX through which users will interact with cross-software agents is too specific for existing incumbents to simply integrate them in their existing product. Now let's cover the first aspect and what it could take to arrive at production-ready agents. If at a high level AI agents seems like a great promise, the reality is that they currently face many limitations that prevent businesses from using them in production. For example, you have the cost of LLMs to consider. Using agents to generate and solve tasks can be costly since they are based on LLMs such as OpenAI. So you need to have features that enable businesses to control the cost of each of their agents. Another important aspect is the reliability and performance of agents. Since agents have the freedom to solve problems the way they want, the agent provider will probably need to provide a way to monitor that its agents are working properly. For example, if one gets stuck in an endless loop, it should be detected and stopped automatically. Quality assurance and quality control are also two topics that will probably come up. Once a business runs AI agents, it will need a way to make sure that the tasks completed by them reach a certain quality level. But think also about security, data access, and other issues, and you quickly come to the conclusion that before a business can really run on AI agents, it will require a lot of additional features that go beyond their pure problem-solving capacity. This is why I think that the most successful AI agents probably need to be standalone products rather than feature in existing B2B software. They will be complex products to build. The second aspect that I touched on is the UI/UX one. Since one of the core promises of AI agents is to solve problems with whatever tools and data it needs, I don't believe that it can be simply integrated into an existing SaaS product. As a user, you will want to use it wherever you are. And on top of that, for many categories, it makes sense to decouple the agents from the tools it leverages. For example, if you have an AI agent specialized in productivity, you probably don't want this agent to be locked into a single productivity app. If it's a standalone one, it gives you the possibility to use whatever productivity tool you want and to change them without being hostage. As a conclusion to this section, I'm not saying that incumbents won't offer their AI agents because I'm sure that they will. What I'm saying is that due to the constraint that I just mentioned, I think that there are many opportunities for standalone agent startups that will solve specific problems for businesses and package it in one product that they can monetize. Obviously, the field of generative agent system is still in its infancy, and I might be totally wrong with my thesis. Maybe agents are just a current hype and they will disappear because we'll soon realize that we can't solve business critical tasks with them. Or another scenario is that B2B AI agents will stay niche products and won't really give birth to successful big companies. I don't know about it and I'm ready to change my mind about it. However, I would be super interested in hearing what you think about it and if you agree or disagree with my thesis.